Here's another pool care tip with the Pool and Spa House. Portland metro area experts in pool and spa care since 1976. Randy and I know that there's no greater summer fun killer than to walk out into your backyard and see that you now have an algae problem in your pool.
That's right, Tony. Algae knows how to show up at just the wrong time, before the holiday party, birthday party, those kind of things. But don't worry, we have one product that you can kill and prevent algae from coming back.
Every pool owner has algae problems at some point. Wind, sun, and heat constantly conspire to create conditions for those microscopic plants to appear. But a routine sanitation and occasional oxidation should keep algae away, right? While some of those products can battle algae, it takes them away from doing their main job. A preventative algicide bolsters overall protection and overcomes occasional dips in sanitizer levels that sun and other factors cause. Algicides also attack algae differently, and some formulas are more effective against certain types. Plus, when things do get out of hand, an algicide is the only way to kill those pesky little spores. There is a simple, single solution for all of those jobs. Algae Complete from BioGuard. This dual-action formula combines the proven powers of two unique actives for a broader spectrum kill. It's highly effective on the most common types: basic green algae, more stubborn mustard algae, and even tough black algae. And it offers both preventative and remedy treatments, so there's no need to buy and use multiple products. The value-sized 72-ounce bottle has enough product to keep your water protected over a full season. Simply add the recommended dose using the handy measuring cap, and Algae Complete goes to work, delivering results quickly, in as little as 24 hours. Unlike lesser algicides, Algae Complete won't foam and has chelated copper, so it can't stain your pool surfaces. If you cringe at the thought of algae in your pool at the worst moment, this product offers you complete peace of mind.
Algae can be stubborn, but with the right customized treatment plan from the Pool and Spa House, you will be algae free with crystal clarity that you can see. Splash on.